Lovely cafeterias, some nice bars and steakhouses, the famous Mediterranean Avenue, and some evening atmosphere. Welcome to Benidorm at night. This is the channel Benidorm by Anna, and we are here to show you what the most popular avenue in Benidorm looks like, which is the Mediterranean Avenue. And we start today's night walking tour right at the beginning of the fully remodeled part of it, right next to the hotel Belroy. Here we have a lovely cafe, Paris, which is great for its coffee. It's really well known for incredible quality coffee of different countries. They have desserts, snacks. On top of it, there's a very fancy Japanese food restaurant. If you're a fan of it, this place right here, which is called Umai, is really recommended if you want to try out authentic Japanese food. And obviously, we'll show you today not only some bars, restaurants, and cafeterias, but overall, which businesses are open right now, which ones got back from holidays, and which ones are still closed. Here we have the lovely Hotel Belroy. This is a hotel, and on the back side of it, they have apartment options, which is really nice. It's close to all the facilities, close to all the services, and it's a 4-star superior hotel. This hotel never closes, even in winter. Due to its privileged location, it always has guests and tourists that would want to visit it. Right in front, we have the bowling, ozone bowling alley, and also the famous Festilandia, which is where you can have a lot of fun with your family members, relatives, loved ones, or even on your own. Why not? A lot of the shops are still open. Others are already starting to close down slowly but surely. Here we have some lingerie, some pajamas, sleepwear, optics, both with sight like glasses for reading, and then obviously sunglasses, because even though right now it's nighttime, but during day the sun is shining quite hard. Beer house, steakhouse, and sports bar. Very nice place. They have some great burgers, sandwiches, more than 100 types of beer. That's absolutely insane. I mean, this is why it's probably called a beer house, right? Selection of beers. Wow. If you're a beer lover, that's where you should go, because that's probably one of the biggest selections here in Benidorm. Oh, 2020, they received an award for the best sandwich. See? Mature meats, different types of foods. That's actually great. They have both terrace and the inside part, and it's actually really popular even right now in winter times. The lovely Agir Springs is in front of us. We enjoy visiting this hotel. We've visited it here on the channel with a complete inside tour. Check it out if you still did not do so. And this is inside. It has like American canteen style. You can see already the colors. We loved the design. They have some nice food and snacks as well at their diner, and rooms have this incredible pastel colors design, which, apart from having nice views towards the Mediterranean Avenue, brings some special touch to your holidays. This is the diner. That's actually not very bad priced. American burger, royal burger, 11.50. 12, 9 euro salads, 9.50, 9, 12.50, that's most expensive ones. Dips, actually very good prices. That's not bad at all, and the quality of food seems to be really nice too. According to what we've seen on the reviews and what we've seen when we filmed the video, nice place to go for a snack. Even if you're not staying in the hotel itself, you are able to come here for a snack or a drink. This is something that's been changing in Benidorm, by the way, quite a lot. Right there on the back, we have the Festilandia, a lot of neon lights. This is where all the fun is located, especially if it's maybe raining outside, if it's not the best weather. This is where you can go. Because a lot of the machines and the bowling alley are on the inside of the building, so you can still enjoy it. Even though outside it's pouring rain, which almost never happens, with a couple of exceptions a year. And at whichever time, whichever weather you're able to enjoy it. In summer, they have slightly wider opening hours. Right now in winter, only starting from midday towards later night hours. Here in front, we have one of our favorite places. Go to cheap shoes in case you need anything. A lot of these things are made in Spain. Massive production, which is why it's so inexpensive. $2.99 for slippers to walk in the apartment, for example. Usually we can even see flip-flops for like €1.99 a pair, which is absolutely insane. If you forgot something, or if you didn't want on purpose to bring some shoes, some footwear in general for you, this is where you can purchase it. Really nice, by the way, quality. $11.99. See, some sandals of a different kind, $11.99. Then you have winter shoes here, like autumn shoes, something more closed, something more open, high heels, without heels, different shoe wear that's slightly more expensive. This one, for example, €21. Then cheap one, $4.99. For children too, both to go to the beach or to any kind of swimming pool, slippers, anything. You can find it here for much cheaper than it would be in different types of shops. And especially if you are only planning to wear it during your holidays here and just leave it behind afterwards, that's the best thing you could potentially do. Not waste a lot of money, but still have a good quality footwear. Let's get back to the hotels. We were looking forward to let you know that previous years, before pandemics, 10 years ago even probably, hotels in Benidorm always offered the vast majority of their services to their guests only. With pandemics, obviously, and throughout the last decade or so, more or less, Benidorm started to reinvent itself and started to offer more and more of these services to outside guests that do not actually stay in their accommodation. All this started with spas and wellness areas. First of all, afterwards, they've started with restaurants, then cafeterias, and the last thing to be incorporated into this list is obviously the rooftop terraces, which are and tend to be on the last top floor of the hotel accommodation option, with very nice, spectacular views to Benidorm. Open both morning time, especially in summer, up until late night hours, even with DJ sessions in summer, with a lot of different events, even live music, and some of the times specific parties, for example, for the official start of summer. So right now, you can use almost every single common area of hotel in Benidorm, except for the room probably. You can even use the gym if you want to, or any other type of facilities. Come there for work. They have a lot of the hotels have specific rooms for working where they have fast internet connection and a lot more. So this is what hotels turned into right now, because there's a big demand for it. People stay elsewhere a lot of the times and just pay to use the services that they actually need. We continue down the Mediterranean Avenue. Here we have some more services, but a lot of them tobacco shop, by the way, here nearby. You can also find some fast food places like My Chips. Actually, I really love this place. We could recommend it for you. And this is where you can get really nice quality, recently made potato chips. There's at least 20 different sauces and salsas that you could put on them. They do have sandwiches, hot dogs, hamburgers, drinks, but we mostly come there for fries, which are really good. So if you just want something like this quick to have a snack, that might be a great option. And they're not too expensive either, and portions are really big. Here in front we have Tiffany's. Very nice place, a lovely place. It's a cafeteria plus dessert like pastry shop. They do offer some nice breakfast, sandwiches. In the evening they offer cocktails, so it's a multi-task place, but a lot of people love it. The quality of the food is great. The prices are also quite reasonable, and it's been here for quite a while now. So even locals visit it a lot of the times, not only tourists. As you can see today, it's Monday night. This video was filmed exactly not even a day ago. It was filmed the previous evening for when you actually see it. So this is Monday night, and usually it's quite empty. But right now, look at it. There's quite a lot of people here in the city center. This is all due to the fact that we have a lot of people arriving. We have around 65–66% of average occupancy in a lot of the hotels. And it's because we start the Benidorm Fest really soon, as well as a lot of people simply arriving last minute to enjoy the gorgeous weather that we will be having. Obviously, how would we live without the police cars patrolling the streets? Every now and then, police cars passing by to make sure that everything is nice, everything is safe for both tourists and locals. And since people see police car passing by, believe it or not, it just stops people from doing bad things. Okay, which is why we feel really safe here. I really feel sorry about the places. Like we talked with you yesterday on the latest news update. If you didn't check it out, check it out. We were speaking about the sad situation that Barcelona is experiencing in terms of tourism and safety in Barcelona right now, which was really sad. Here in Benidorm, we do feel really safe, which is great, and we absolutely love it. This is why a lot of people choose it for their holidays, even though the prices right now are not too cheap, especially for the next summer season 2024. Wow, it is busy. It's so nice. Look at this. This doesn't feel like the most dull, the less busy, the coldest month. And it isn't. It actually isn't. Starting from already tomorrow, when you will see this video, temperatures will be nicer. In the morning, it might still be chilly here in Benidorm, but during daytime, we will start reaching around 20–21 degrees, and in Alicante and Murcia, even 25–28. Insane weather. More proper for May than for mid-January. Mid-January, second half of it, and February months are supposed to be the coldest, but it's not actually the case. On our left side, we have some typical Spanish fun, which is bingo. Spanish culture loves bingo, absolutely loves it. So if you want to actually try something like this, go to a bingo. You can get just a couple of cartons, like a couple of papers, and that's it, just to see what it actually looks like, because that's an authentic experience. By the way, a lot of people go there to play some games and to grab some food, because food is extremely cheap in these places and it tends to be of a nice quality. Surprising, isn't it? But this is something that a lot of people do, especially from 45–50 years onwards. That's something they absolutely enjoy doing. And not only on weekends, even Monday night can be ideal for this type of entertainment. This is what the Mediterranean Avenue is looking like right now. Hotels are still working here. They did not close at all, and they're not planning on doing so anytime soon. Usually they work the whole year round. Incredible locations, so many shops nearby, supermarkets. Our favorite cow shop, which is Alejop, you can see it right here, has some nice souvenirs. By the way, right now they're starting some discounts. There's taxi stop right here nearby. All the buses, including the famous bus number 10 that goes from Benidorm, connecting Alfaz del Pi, Albir, our paradise village, and Altea, also stops right here on the Mediterranean Avenue. And the first stop to hop on the bus is right in front of the Madeira Central Hotel. Great place that has everything you might need during your holidays here in Benidorm. And very soon, in just a few days' time, it will be more and more busy. Right here, we'll have a nice scene very soon with some concerts and a lot of people enjoying their holidays in Benidorm, waiting for the Benidorm Fest to officially begin. Thank you for accompanying us on today's video. We wish you an incredible day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in a brand new video. Here back again. Bye, dears.